Hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel, and today I will show you guys how to weld a 5x16 leg length of a H-beam. So this process guys is called flux core. So before that guys, I will just clean the nozzle and the contact tip just to make sure the CO2 will go fast through the nozzle and contact tip, so that there will be no pinholes or blowholes will appear in our welding. So I just removed the plugs of the tack weld just to make sure that there will be no pinhole or blue holes will appear in our welding process. So right now guys, we will do a first pass to our 5x16 leg length. So it happens usually guys in our job that if you are welding 5x16 guys, which is 2 layers, so it is understandable guys that you should make a first pass, or what we call this root pass, so that our welding will not result to an undercut after we build the 5x16. So in this process guys, what I did today is I use a forehand movement. So forehand or whatever you use, or you can use backhand, but I prepare forehand because this is flux core process. So right now I am going to clean first. After I will do the second pass of our process. So I use the chipper. So as you can see guys, this is now the first pass of the root pass. So right now I'm going to weld now the second pass. Okay, so this is second pass guys, which is I use a forehand guys with the 45 degrees angle of my nozzle. So just to make sure guys that your welding is in a good result, so I advise you to adjust your CO2 gas into 40 maximum speed, their flow, so not so fast guys. And I advise you to use the bolts, which is I use now 28, and I use the current into 300 ampere. Okay, so I think this is normal guys for flux core. So this is the standard current and bolts that we use in the structural works. So right now I do the cleaning the second pass using my chipper. So as you can see, this is now the second pass second pass of our welding, so flux core process guys. So right now I will do the welding guys, the final process of our 5x16 leg length. So at this time guys, I am not using a 45 degrees, so I think I use this 35 degrees angle of my nozzle, and just to make sure that it will not be undercut after the final welding of our 5x16 leg length in H-beam. So as you can see guys, my movement is in forehand, not in backhand. So it is the standard guys always that you will use forehand process in flux core arc welding. Okay, so in metal core guys, it's very different. So I just finished guys the final pass of our 5x16 leg length guys. So thank you for watching guys for my video. Hope you like the video that I uploaded now, and please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, and God bless to us all.